NBC4 News at 4 starts now.
Charges filed in the murder of rapper Nipsey Hussle and the big-name attorney now defending the accused shooter. Prosecutors filed a murder charge today in the death of rapper Nipsey Hussle. We've also learned that the defense attorney is Christopher Darden, one of the prosecutors of the O.J. Simpson trial. NBC4's Patrick Healy is in downtown L.A., where the accused shooter just appeared in court. Patrick.
Kathy, it just went down a little over an hour ago, and the accused killer of Nipsey Hussle entered a not guilty plea, and his famous attorney, Christopher Darden, said identity may be an issue here. In fact, Darden argued against allowing a camera in court, but the judge overruled him. The accused, Eric Ronald Holder, in Jailhouse Blues, in a courtroom with a packed gallery and 12.5 sheriff's deputies, but there were no outbursts, no disturbances. However, a ripple of recognition went through the audience at the sight of his attorney, Christopher Darden, now a defense lawyer, but back in the day famed as one of the lead prosecutors when O.J. Simpson was acquitted of murder. Today, Darden's client pleaded not guilty to 1 count of murder and 2 counts of attempting to murder 2 wounded men identified in the criminal complaint as Kerry Lathan and Shermy Servabta. Not surviving was the 3rd victim, Nipsey Hussle, the enormously popular rap artist and community benefactor. We did not see family members in the courtroom, but earlier today there was a vigil at the site where he died.
His life will never be forgotten, and the impact that he has made on each of us will last forever. Let us remember that when we leave this place, we will be a light, and we will see the divinity in each other. Amen.
This gathering during the noon hour at the Slauson commercial property that was home to Hussle's clothing store and other businesses. We understand his brother did attend that vigil. It was alleged that at this location, Holder approached Hussle Sunday, left, then returned with a gun and opened fire at close range. At this point, authorities have not charged the woman believed to have driven Holder to and from the scene. She asserting she was not aware there was to be a shooting, but some in the community are not persuaded.
We believe that everyone involved with his murder should be apprehended.
It could be number one, that they do not have enough evidence to book her right now, say on something like accessory after the fact. So once they do get the evidence, they'll go and book her. Or number two is they just don't plan on pursuing her at all, and maybe they will be using her as a cooperating witness.
So that yet to be determined. What was for certain today was Holder's appearance with bail level set at $5 million. He will remain jailed. He is due back in court to face this murder charge on May 10. Now in court, we did see a handful with a connection to the defendant Holder. They left without comment. Attorney Darden told us he has a plane to catch, declined to go into how he came to represent the defendant here, Holder, but did tell us he does see this as an important case. Live at the Folds Criminal Justice Center downtown, Patrick Healy, NBC4 News.